thing I'll be saying in this video is for my other channel. I have a video that has gotten 1000 views, and I'll be using that to make a review on how much YouTube paid me for 1000 views. I have my phone here that I'll be using to go into the analytics of this video, and then I'll be screen recording it and mixing it with this particular video that you all are watching, so that you can see the analytics as I am saying it. Now, moving into the analytics of this video. In actual view, this video has gotten 1498 views. This video is just 2 views away from 1500, but YouTube has already approximated it to 1.5k. But you know, YouTube is to pay me for this content. YouTube will not pay me for the 0.5k. YouTube won't pay me for the 500 views that it has added to it. YouTube will pay me for just the 1000 views, because YouTube pays per 1000 views. So moving into the analytics of this video, I can see that this video has given me 26 watch hours so far, and then since I've uploaded this video has given me 26 subscribers as well. What a coincidence. This video has generated 26 watch hours and it has given me 26 subscribers. Now, moving to the reach of this video. When I click on the reach of this video, I can see that this video has impression of 12,700. That means YouTube has literally pushed this video out to 12,700 channels. But out of the 12,700 channels that YouTube has pushed this content out to, it is only 1,498 channels that are interested in even clicking on the video at all. Whether they clicked in and clicked out, or they clicked in and stayed to watch, what this impression literally means that they clicked on the video regardless of how long they stayed on the video. Now, the next is the impression click-through rate. This video actually has a high impression click-through rate, which is 8.4%, as you can see. But I don't know why out of 12,700 channels that have seen this video, is only 1,500 are interested on watching this video, when the impression click-through rate is this high as 8.4%. Now, out of these 1.4k people that have watched this video, I have unique viewers of 1.2k. Unique viewers literally means people that are seeing my channel for the first time. They are not my subscribers. It is that particular content that brought them to the knowledge of my channel. I have 1.2k of them out of the 1.5k that have watched this content. Now, how viewers found this video, I have browse features, which has the higher percentage of 68.8%. Then I have other YouTube features that has 12.3%. I have channel pages that has 10%. Then notification, those that turned on their notifications after subscribing to my channel, I got 2.9% of view from those sets of people. Then suggested videos, 1.9%. I have others as well. Then for the external site or app that are suggesting this video, I can see that WhatsApp is suggesting this video. Google search is also suggesting this video. Then Android, whatever, Google Go, WhatsApp Business, because sometimes I put links to my video on my WhatsApp status, but you know there's a way to go about this, dropping your links to your videos in your WhatsApp status. There are tricks to it, there are do's and don'ts to it, but I put it sometimes the right way. Then content suggesting this video, I have how to make puff sleeve, how to cut and sew, you know, blah blah blah. A lot of content that are related to sewing are suggesting this video, because this video is a cutting and sewing tutorial. I also have playlists featuring this video. That means that people watch this video from playlists. That's why it's always good to create playlists for your content. Then I can also see the YouTube search terms that led people to this content. You know, these YouTube search terms can, even as a creator on YouTube, can give you ideas, like topic ideas that people are actually typing to search, that is now bringing your own content to them. Because this my content now is a video on how to cut and sew a jumpsuit. So I can see that people are typing how to cut exaggerated puff sleeve, because this jumpsuit has a puff sleeve. I can see that people are typing how to cut and sew jumpsuit for ladies, because this content is a jumpsuit I can see that people are typing how to cut jumpsuit without half length. I can see that people are typing jumpsuit tutorial. That means YouTube has even given me topic ideas for me to create content on, because I now know what people are really typing before they found my content. So it's always important to always check on the analytics of your content once you drop them. Don't just drop them and go. Search the analytics very, very well. Then for the bell notification sent, 100%, notification click-through rate 1.3%, and all of that. Now let's move to the next thing, which is the engagement of this video. For the engagement, like I said earlier, this video has given me 26 watch hours, and this video has average view duration of 1.02. This literally means that for each person that clicked on this video, on the average they watched as long as 1 minute 2 seconds. On the average, it's not like what they watch is 1 minute 2 seconds, but on the averagely they watched up to 1 minute 2 seconds for each person that has clicked on this video. As moving to the like and dislike, this video, as you know, sometimes you don't even see dislikes on your content except you come to your YouTube analytics. But I need you to know this now. When you see dislikes on your content, that should not even discourage you. Dislike on your content has no negative meaning on your content, kind of, because it's still a form of engagement. So whether you see likes and dislikes, or you see only likes, or you see even only dislikes, it should not bother you much. That doesn't mean that people don't really like your content. It's still a form of engagement, and what YouTube is after is views and engagement. So for my dislike, I have 96.6%. Like, out of all the people that dropped like and dislike on this video, I have 96.6% for the dislike. Then I have 98.2% for the like, which is fine. Now for the end screen elements click rate, because I've used this content for end screen in a lot of my videos, I have 2.9%. This is just to tell me that end screen is working, and this is me telling you that always make use of your end screen, make use of your cards. All these things, they are very, very useful. They have their own part to play in your content going viral, or they have their own parts to play to be sure that your contents are getting the views that you desire. Now moving to the audience on this video. For the audience on this video, I can see that my returning viewers are 711. I mentioned earlier that my unique viewers are 1.2k. Now YouTube is showing me my returning viewers, people that have watched my content before. That's my content that they watched was not the first one. They've watched and watched again. I have 711 of them. Then for the device that people used to watch my content, mobile phone has a larger percent, which is 97.1. Tablet has 2.3%. Computer has 0.5%. TV has 0.1%. If you want to see more, you can always click on see more, but I don't want to see more. But when people watch your content with either TV or tab or tablet and you are monetized, it gives you bigger revenue. It gives you more revenue than when they watch with phone, unfortunately, because longer ads pop up on content that are being watched with either TV or computer than it does on content that are being watched on phones. Now the next is age and gender. For this video, everybody that has watched this video are all females. Then the age range that are watching this video, I have higher percentage of them ranging between 25 to 34 years, followed by 18 to 24 years, then followed by 35 to 44 years. Then for out of all the people that have watched this content, 79.1% of them are not subscribed and 20.9% of them are subscribed. Please, if you watch my content, do well to subscribe to my channel and give those content thumbs up. And when advertisement comes up, please don't skip the ad to help me to be watching them. Thank you in advance. So the top geography, I have Nigeria, which has the highest percent of 65.2%, then Ghana 6.7%. I want to see more of this, so I'll be clicking on see more. Okay, there's no more record to see, but just know that when these top countries watch your content, you get more revenue than when countries like Nigeria, Ghana, India watch your content. So you should as well be targeting audience from top countries like US, UK, Canada, and the rest. Now moving to the revenue on this video. Before I show you all the revenue, I've uploaded a content before on how much YouTube paid me for 1,000 views. And I think as at that time, that video got 1.1k views, but YouTube will still pay me for 1,000 views because they can't pay me for the 0.1k view that is on it. Still, it sums up to another 1,000. So I've uploaded a video like that before. That video, when I was analyzing it, had 1.1k views, and this particular video has 1.4, almost 1.5k views. Now watch what is going on here. For the revenue of this video has generated $0.34. Did I say $0? This video has generated 34 cents. I want you to watch the previous video I uploaded on how much YouTube paid me for 1,000 views, because that video, the revenue is a bit higher than this revenue. Despite that, the views on that video is just 1.1k, and the views on this video is 1.4k. You understand what I'm saying? So there are several factors that determine how much YouTube pays you. Factors like the device people are using to watch your content, the countries they are watching from, and all of that. So the link to that video is currently showing up. The previous video I did on how much YouTube paid me for 1,000 views is currently showing up, and it will also be down in the description box. If you mix it up, just check the description box below, you will see it there. Now, to how I even made this 0.34 cents, or how I made this 3.34 cents. I have watch paid ads, advertisements majorly. Then how much advertisers paid? Advertisers paid $1.15 for each 1,000 view. That's CPM. Then the RPM, the money that YouTube paid me eventually after advertisers paid their $1.15 for 1,000 views, is 0.23 cents. Let me just say 23 cents. That's the money that YouTube, that's the RPM from CPM of 1.15 cents. And this video has skippable ads, non-skippable ads, bumper ads, display ads, and all of that. Now, there is no doubt that this niche is a low-paying niche, but this niche is a niche that I have passion for. I will not stop saying that, but it is a low-paying niche. But my passion is in this particular niche, so I don't see myself not creating content for this niche. I'm making this explanation to encourage you that when you want to pick niche here on YouTube, please be mindful of the niches that you are picking. Make your findings. Make sure that you know the high-paying niches and the low-paying niches before you just start creating content on YouTube, so that eventually when you are monetized, you'll be earning something more tangible. You understand what I'm saying? But that is it for the analytics of this video. I remember that I didn't introduce myself. My name is Oluwatosin, and in case this is your first time here, please consider subscribing, and don't just subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when next I upload a new video on this channel. And I'll still be making a lot of how much paid me for most of my content on that channel here on this channel. If content like this is your vibe, do well to subscribe and turn on notification bell like I said earlier. If this content has been useful to you, remember to give it a thumbs up, and as much as possible, you can as well share this content amidst your friends and loved ones. You don't know who this video might be helpful to. Disclaimer, this is not me saying that YouTube is not paying high, but majorly it's a function of your niche. This payment is like this because of the niche that I'm into. That being said, have you seen any of these videos that are currently showing on your screen? If you've not, you should check them out. They are very, very impactful videos. just like this, and some of them are even more than this. And I'll still be dropping another video on how much YouTube paid me for another content that has a little above 1000 views. Then I'll see you in that next one. Bye. Thank you for watching. No, I'm supposed to say thank you for watching before saying bye, right? Let me go back to it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.